Maybe with the consent of other side lordship, I beg to mention item number 17.
17.
17 lordship. Contempt measurement lordship. There we request some time lordship for compliance.
17 to be listed after 3 weeks. Request made by Mr. right?
Can a date be fixed?
Enabling him
More than
to-
2 years have gone by.
2021.
Enabling him to complete
20 or 21.
this matter on 22nd of July.
Lordship. Obliged.
Mr. B. Patel.
My lord, I have filed an additional affidavit in item number is 24.
Tomorrow. You filed it tomorrow.
But after filing of the petition, this record come up. My lord.
Then we have not seen that affidavit. You have it tomorrow along with the writ petition.
Yes, sir.
Writ petition and
Or
the
lordship may
affidavit.
take up the matter.
Huh?
Otherwise, lordship may take up the matter. But it will come before my lord taking up the matter.
So we are not on before or after. It's a question of even the court has to go through the files. So you are bringing in a pleading which we did not have the occasion to go through it. So let us have it tomorrow, right? Tomorrow, item 11, along with the additional affidavit stated to have been filed.
I have pray for listing mathematical transfer or of a motion.
May I please, my lord, item number 39, my lord. I have the instruction to this.
Item 39 on the request made by the council. On the submissions made by the council. Instructions that the petition dismissed on withdrawal is indicated pending item.
Maybe the lordship, with the consent of others, I beg to mention item number 16, my lord.
16.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, matter may be adjourned for the and come after petition, my lord.
16 at the request of the council. The petitioner stands referred to be listed after 4 weeks.
Okay. Get 22 matter. Can it be on
It's for
27?
the respondent.
Yes, my lord.
For the respondent. 31st of July.
Much.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention a fresh writ petition for listing.
Motion.
Yes, lordship.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention the listing of a motion matter for tomorrow.
Motion. Fresh
Motion
listing.
Yeah.
Your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing WC for admission, lordship.
Admission matter. Let it be in August. 5th of August.
Lordship. Lordship, I would like to mention item number 18.
18. Yes.
Lordship, actually,
Seeking an adjournment
yeah,
for
adjournment
the respondents.
for the respondent.
You have informed the petitioner.
Yes, sir. We have informed.
Item 18 on the request of the council of the respondent stands referred to the state of submitted the council. Consent of the council.
Lordship, I beg to mention listing of a motion matter for
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of arbitration petition under section 11. Lordship, for motion. Tomorrow, lordship. If you oblige, lordship. Yes, your lordship. My lord, may I pray for listing of motion matter? Your lordship, this is a petition under section 11(6) of the Arbitration Act.
Will issue notice. Right, council to the party issue notice. Steps of the respondent by registered post. By speed post. It's after the available date.
Any date will be fixed, any date will be fixed.
After 4 weeks, you take steps. If it is done, it doesn't get listed after 4 weeks, give a date. Make a mention.
Much.
Yes, notice returnable 4 weeks, steps on the respondents by speed post within 1 week.
I definitely.
Yes.
That is very yes. Master work single petitioner And I may refer annexure 1 page 13, 1 changes 01-1980.
Get instructions. Third council for parties, petitioner is praying for the direction for release of the area amount of 106,688, which the petitioner claims is paid in the petition by the respondents. As we say, the respondents have neglected or defaulted to make the said payments. There are Mr. S. Sharma,
For this one.
learned counsel appearing for all the respondents, will obtain instructions in the matter. Release this matter again on 22nd of July. 22nd of July. Extra copies be furnished to the party.
Yes.
Pertains to discharge from service, my lord. Our my lord contention is that both Amarendra Kumar's Pandey's my lord birthday and also
Reading.
regulation 107 and 8 has not been
Reading.
ready.
Third council for parties. Yes, the guy, the B party for petition, guy, C appears for all the respondents. So the way the extra copy furnished, we don't want to wait for. There's another petition,
Lord, item 14 also saying.
similar matter. Item 14. You are there or somebody else?
The class is there. What
That
does?
is, I'll inform you.
I know.
For the petitioner. you
I
are
am there, I am there.
Item 14. also.
14. Fine.
4 and 14.
Obliged.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. I'm my lord. I'm on a suspense, my lord. I was my lord, inspector of taxes, my lord. And my lord, and affair was lost against me at page 13, my lord. Page 13, my lord.
Now you are questioning the de novo inquiry, fresh inquiry.
My lord, yes. My lord, inquiry report has been submitted, my lord. That is,
Where is the notice going for fresh inquiry?
Lord, that is at page, my lord. Page 40, my lord. Annexure 7, my lord, page 40.
Now what has happened after that?
But no inquiry officer has been appointed.
You have not received any notice. We'll issue notice at this stage, let them file their, complete their instructions, file necessary affidavit. You file it within 2 weeks, Mr. Chaudhary.
Yes.
Heard Mr. SS Rahman, Council Commissioner, Mr. B. Chaudhary, Deputy Council Finance Taxation for the response. By this dated 6/2/2026, whereby the department is contemplating de novo inquiry into the matter. Submitted that the inquiry report submitted by the earlier, in the earlier inquiry conducted against the petition has not been found favorable by the petition, by the disciplinary authority. Therefore, they have issued. So, and submits that de novo inquiry on the fresh charges is not permissible in law, not contemplated until 1964. Therefore, submitted the same interfered with, set aside and quashed. Considering the submissions made, the issue returnable by 20 July. The respondents will complete their instructions and file the necessary affidavit. Released on 20 July.
My lord. Right. Take.
Matter relates to non-payment of salary as well as retirement benefit. Lordship, petitioner is retired on 31st of October.
Notice that.
Yes, Lordship.
Returnable For which Mr. R. Bor appears for respondent one.
1 and 3.
1 and 3.
My friend is for
Mr. H. Alia for respondent number 2.
Madam.
And
Okay, Bhakti first to go, madam.
executive officer,
Yes, boss. Principal, I'll take
1,
steps.
3 and 6.
Yes, boss.
My lord,
1, 3 and 6.
six even minute now he's under the administrative control of the board, my lord.
Anyway, he's a government officer.
Still, my lord, he will take a cue of board, my lord. I will have a conflict of interest then, my lord. So we'll have to say something, they will say something. my lord.
Steps on respondent 456 by rated post. Speed post within 1 week from. Extra copies will furnished to the standing by within 1 week.
Obliged.
Non-payment of heaven notice.
Third council for participation. Hearing here.
I am
Mr.
preparing
Bora for respondent 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mr. H. Alia for respondent 5. For accountant general,
Lordship,
you are appearing for? So for accountant general. Steps on respondent number 6 and 7. I speak post 1 week. Release this matter after.
Yes.
No, let it be after, take steps after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Yes, sir. If ITI certificate holder turn up, they are proportional.
At this stage only notice.
Notice.
Right? Still is not.
They are Tabindar on
Yeah,
the
Govinda,
are they?
Yaakov, Mr. Devi. CBC, Yaakov.
All right.
All the response. So we get some of the funds. It's matter again. Returnable.
Obliged. May I please? Okay. This matter regarding repayment of recovery amount which has been paid by the authority to the petitioner.
It's a council for. State people and CBC appeals for all the respondent.
Bharat.
So,
Develop. Wait, here we are challenging the impugned vacation notices dated 1/6/26 and 26/26. 1/6 your lordship will find at page 17.
no vacation means you have been transferred out.
I have been transferred out, but that is very near to the place of
So,
Lepetkata.
no, you are in the place of posting, there is no.
There is no
quarters.
accommodation. So that is the issue. And upstairs, so
Anyone for the respondents?
I may take for responding to one.
MS. So appears for respondent number 1.
for one.
CGC.
Yes.
Petitioner is serving in the DCPL.
DCPL.
Respondent number 2 was posted in Digboi,
No, was
Lepetkota,
Yes, Lepetkata.
the district of Dibrugad.
Yes. Transferred to Dugari
Petitioner is serving as what?
as chief manager, E5 grade.
The chief manager, electrical, grade 4.
Now E5. Yeah.
Now, fine. He's been transferred to Duliajan
Dugari.
in the same capacity.
In the E5 capacity.
The petitioner is residing in a quarter in the township of the respondent number 2. However, he's been asked to vacate the quarters on the basis of transfer of issue. So it is submitted that there are no accommodation company accommodation available. Digboy from where he's transferred, and the distance between Digboy and his present place of residence is not very far,
50 kilometers.
about 50 kilometers, and he can commute from his pleasant place of posting to his new place of posting. Stop counsel for the petitioner therefore submits that he is in the process of searching for accommodation. However, the respondent authority has issued notices directing him to vacate the premises. Considering the prayers made, the notice issued returned number 4 weeks since the letter CPC appears for respondent to 1 waive. Respondent 1, extra copies be furnished within the period. Steps of respondent 2 3 in 1 week. To be relisted on 24th of July, the next date of listing. The steps be taken. Forcibly vacate channel from the spot.
Obliged. Your lordship, only the place of transfer that is from Lepetkata. I think it has been reflected as Digboy.
Lepet Kota to Digboy.
No, Lepetkata to Duliada.
Lepet Kota to Dulia.
Duliada. Obliged.
Appointed as Congress on my lord 1/8/25. The month of my lord November, they were about to terminate. That is why they appealed to the court, my lord, and filed a writ petition number 6526/25. And then my lord on 19/11/2025, at base my lord 25, extra 5 conditions. The lordship was pleased to my lord should notice fixing the case on my lord 12/12/25. The meantime status quo was my lord 2020. Thereafter my lord the matter was listed on my lord 12/12/25. And that day also my lord the still score order was my lord extended. Thereafter what happened my lord the petitioner said my lord have been my lord, terminated on my lord 2/1/2026 my lord. They have
Where
been
is that
terminated.
order? Where is the order?
Well, who's got a-
The order of your termination or
my lord,
release?
at base, my lord, 55 will be.
55.
This is the my lord, type kuri, my lord, 55 and my lord, 57. Two petitions are there, my lord. They have been terminated and in their place, my lord, another person have been my lord appointed.
Counsel, yes.
That first of all, this termination order, my lord, 1/2/2026. Moreover, their engagement on the routine basis for the 4-month only,
That's all right. There is an interim order.
my lord.
During the interim order,
Interim
how-
order regarding the status quo, my lord.
status,
Status quo,
how during that time the person
my lord.
heard counsel for party issue notice returning. The writ petitioner is serving as a home guard. He earlier approached this court by filing WPC 6526.
My lord.
Apprehending release from service to be replaced by some other persons. This court by order dated in 19/11/25 granted status quo against termination of release. Stop this order extended subsequently and stated to be still in subsistence. However, notwithstanding that, by communication dated 1/2/26, some other person. Have you arrayed him as a party?
My lord. Private respondent, they made party.
Private respondent number,
Private respondent number 6 and 7.
private respondent number 6. 7 has been fixed. So 6 is for you.
But six is my lord private.
No, no.
5 my lord.
6 in place of
One my lord.
Anamuddin.
Yes, my lord.
Then
7 is
where is that order for 7?
space my lord. 50 my lord. 55. 57 my lord.
Petitioner 1 has been replaced by private respondent number 6 and petitioner replaced by private respondent 7. Notwithstanding the interim order, status quo order directed to be continued. So this order was passed in the presence of the state council and the order has not yet been vacated. Therefore, these orders are thought to have been passed. Mr. P. Soikia, the state council submits that you would like to obtain the required instructions. With this matter be listed along with WPC. Six 526 of 2025 on 31st of July. Till the next date of listing, the new orders of relief shall remain stable. This let notice issue. Mr. Soikia accepts notice on behalf of the state respondents.
1 to 5.
Steps on the private respondent by speed post within 1 week.
Applicable. Petitioner is a retired inspector of RPF. The issue is non-payment of post-retirement benefit.
Heard Mr. Rai of council to the petitioner, Mr. Architect Chaudhary, then city council. State by State accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. This is the list of all the released after the return.
All right. This case, we have received a reply, Lordship. There was a direction of this honorable court that we should not take any final decision until we received the reply to the inquiry report, which we have received yesterday. So we'll take up the follow-up action now.
What was the order passed?
The order was dated 17/6. Lordship was pleased to say, paragraph that the respondent order will not pass any adverse order against the petitioner till 24/6/2026 without receiving the copy of her reply in pursuance of the notice dated 3/6/2026. So Lordship has already restricted us till to yesterday, and we have received the reply also.
You know?
We adjust for time in my single.
What time being today?
My tea is coming. Did the matter come after reopening, Lord?
It should come after reopening. After reopening?
My Lord.
In the meantime, what?
No adverse order.
Because you have already. Charge sheet has been filed or not?
My Lord, it was the concerned court, my Lord, but to our information, charge sheet has not been filed.
Has not been filed. Then
I have also that information.
how are you prejudiced? Then the charge sheet is not filed.
My Lord.
No, reopening is all right, but why unnecessarily stay the proceeding? You are, see, you are apprehending adverse order. The reverse may also happen that you are exonerated. No chance.
Because it is an open and shut case,
My Lord,
according to them.
How better is being, my Lord.
So if there is no chance, why should you stay it?
My Lord, this honorable court by twice, initially the writ petition, my Lord, directed the respondent authorities to reinstate, my Lord. Their departed. My Lord, kindly see the chronology, my Lord. Now, my Lord, kindly see the how matter is being pursued, my Lord.
There is a direction of the
You are-
division bench to
you are-
reinstate her within 28. So
You
we'll
are-
have to do whatever is to be done.
You are apprehending prejudice in view of the fact that there is a criminal proceeding, there is a departmental proceeding.
Yes, my Lord. And
Captain Paul and
complicated question of law as well as fact is involved.
That is all right, but in the criminal proceeding, charge sheet has not been filed,
But for the within short date, my lord, charge sheet is filed.
but your inquiry is already over.
But after reopening, my lord, or in presence of my senior, my
You are not getting any benefit otherwise. Save and except delaying the departmental proceeding. Not getting any benefit because the inquiry is over. Inquiry report submitted, you have been given a copy, you have replied. Now only the departmental authority is required to take. You have your remedies, assuming there is some adverse order. You have your remedies.
lord, that
You're not remediless, but it is not a case that now if the criminal proceeding charge sheet is filed and evidence is adduced, you are likely to face prejudice. Not face prejudice because the inquiry is over.
once the adverse order is passed, my lord, it and then repetition will, the statement will depend on the.
You are not inclined. Well, Mr. Chaudhary, you ask him to come within the next 15 minutes, 20 minutes, then we'll take it up again. Yes. Timing.
Item number 36, at this stage, notice may go, Lordship. They are asking for the benefits of Upen Das.
Right.
Lord.
No,
but-
that is prior to
Yes.
Upen Das being set aside.
Yes.
Now it is set aside by the apex court. Are you aware? You must be aware. Heard counsel for the parties, issue notice done in 4 weeks. Mr. H. Alia, IPS for
Respondent number 3, Lordship.
respondent 3.
BTC.
Name is IPS for respondents number 4,
4, 5,
5, 6, 7, 8,
7, and
and 1 and 2. Who
Lordship,
appears?
Forest, Lordship. We do, I bought up.
Right, Mr. P. Soikia, State Council appears for respondent 1 and 2, since the respondents are represented. Since they gave the extra copy, furnished with one. Release this matter after the return.
The petition has come to the lordship, because there is a promotional post, there is a selection process going on for the post of junior technical superintendent in the IIT Gauhati. This is not on the academic side, this is in the technical and mechanical side.
You joined within the extended period of time.
Yes, I joined within the extended period.
And the notification says that seniority will be counted.
Senior. And I am not seeking salary, pay, anything. I am only seeking stipulations to sit in the exam.
Yes, Mr. Thakur.
This matter also we need, it's that they have somehow seniority is counted from date of his, it will also adversely affect the other candidates who have joined earlier than him.
No, but that's what the circular says, Government of India.
But that
Whether
I'll
it
take
is-
clarification of that because
Very well. You take your clarification, but you permit him to sit and don't declare the results, so far as he is concerned.
the selection process is not yet announced. Date is not announced probably. So
If it is announced, in the meantime, let him participate.
That is the only
So far as his results are concerned, don't declare it without leave of the court. So far as he is concerned.
If I don't get selected, it becomes an academic question.
let the matter come up vacation, there will be no complication in that case.
So then, my
So then you have to give an assurance that till vacation there will be no selection. We record it. We are only protecting the interests of the writ petitioner. We are only protecting the interests of the writ petitioner that in case.
Lots
in-
may observe that in between, if meanwhile selection process starts, then lordship specifically with that reservation,
Yes.
that department.
Third, Mr. A. Ganguly, counsel for the petitioner, Mr. R. Kapoor, senior counsel, assisted by Mr. APD, respondent. All the respondents. Mr. Day accepts notice on behalf of 103. Petitioner is presently serving as what? Junior,
senior technician.
senior technician. And he had responded to an internal advertisement for promotion to the post of, is it
Junior-
promotion or appointment?
No, it's a promotion, it's a junior technical superintendent.
Junior technical superintendent. So the petitioner's papers were not accepted, as it is stated that the petitioner does not satisfy the eligibility criteria of rendering how many years?
10 years.
10 years as a junior.
Junior technician and senior technician taken together.
Junior technician.
And senior technician.
No, senior technician is not 10 years.
No, both taken together. Lordship will kindly have page 66 for
66.
Lordship. Eligibility criteria, this or part. Experience of 10 years as junior technician, junior mechanics also, or senior technician taken together. So both the lower posts.
No, or experience of 10 years as a junior technician.
Yes, or junior technician or senior technician taken together. Taken together.
Experience of 10 years of having served as a junior technician or / senior technician taken together. So, petitioner had joined in the IIT. Which date?
On 1/2,
Joining
2016.
1/2/2016.
Gotcha.
The respondent authorities therefore submit that as on date, the petitioner does not satisfy the eligibility criteria of 10 years. So, counsel for the petitioner submits that although he joined in 1/2/2016, pursuant to the order of appointment dated
27/10/2015.
27/10/2015, his joining in the post of under the IIT was within the period of extension granted by the IIT authorities. So, he refers to where is the
So the OM is at-
OM?
Yes. Page 72.
as per the Government of India OM. If the candidate joined within the extended period, and which which should not be extended beyond a period of 9 months, then the seniorities will be fixed under the seniority rules applicable to the post to which they are appointed without any depression of seniority. So, submitted that since he had joined within the extended period of time, the seniority has to be reckoned with effect from the date of appointment. And if that is done, he completes he meets the eligibility criteria for the promotion to the next higher post.
I'm just only pointing out that in this case, probably the 4 persons selected the petitioner, other 3 have joined already earlier. So their seniority will come to the date of their joining. Petitioner was not in service that time in IIT Gauhati.
Now, in the feeder post, the seniority list, whose name is there?
Because in the original list that was approved by the Board of Governors, my name was at the top.
That is selection list.
That is
The
the
selection list.
seniority list.
Yes, sir, what
Seniority
is-
list is based upon the date of joining. That is my instruction. But they do not have any separate seniority list.
So that
I have made that statement.
only not to consider whether other 3 also should be implemented as respondents here.
I mean,
They will be
there's nothing
adversely
adverse-
affected in future.
That will depend
Uh,
on the seniority list maintained in the feeder post by the IIT.
the date of actual joining also cannot be ruled out. That this is only pointed out. That not
No.
here.
If
Petitioner takes the risk of
it is a Government of India OM,
gotcha.
it says within 9 months maximum extension you can give. And if the person joins within 9 months, there shall be no depression of seniority, meaning that he will not lose out his seniority.
Seniority means lordship will start from the date of his appointment later, not from the date of his joining. That's what lordship probably means.
Seniority will start from the date of joining, no doubt.
Lordship.
But
Experience will count from date of joining.
you have given him an extension to join at his prayer.
So can I supersede?
Number two,
Lordship?
the feeder category, is there any seniority list maintained on the date of joining? And in that seniority list, if his name is below the other 2-3 persons affected, then obviously what you say will have an effect.
Sure.
But assuming the seniority is maintained, he is still shown to be number 1. That means the
The seniority
IIT has
is
given
not
him
yet-
the benefit.
I believe that this is only selection. He was selected as the top candidate, top selection. It's not that
You get your instructions.
lot, yes. We cannot,
Mr. Gauhati, however, submits that there are two other persons who have joined earlier. Petition, same post of junior technician, and went petitioner when the benefit of the seniority, then there is likelihood of these persons who had joined early, who had admittedly joined earlier, so junior technician ahead of the petitioner will be effective. Therefore, therefore, the learned senior counsel submits that matter be taken up immediately after the open, by which time we complete instructions. Well, considering the submissions made, that the process for selection to the post of senior superintendent,
Junior technical superintendent.
junior technical superintendent may be undertaken by the IIT then shortly. That be so. Then the petitioner, the council submits that during the pendency of the petition, he may be protected and permitted to participate in the same process. Having heard counsel for parties, let the matter be stayed. You want us to issue notice or their instructions?
but by issue notice will file a
Right,
diffident.
the notice will be issued, then matter will be listed immediately after, maybe listed on 31st of July. And the respondent will complete their instructions and file necessary affidavit till the next date fixed. If the IIT proceeds to hold the selection process for the post of junior technical superintendent, then petitioner permitted to appear in the selection process. However, the results with regard to the petition shall not be declared without further orders from the court. Since the respondent is the representative, extra copies be furnished within a period of 1 week. Yes.
My lord. So what can the conduct of them, I'm only on that, my lord.
No, no,
Initially, there is an order from this court, my lord, restatement. Then they came with my lord, late for filing the appeal, my lord. We for contempt petition. Then again, my lord, they have, my lord, they have, in the writ appeal also there is an order in our favor, my lord. Subsequently, now, my lord, you also kindly see, but now they have already decided to, my lord, to fire me, my lord.
There is no past an order.
But your worship, you will kindly see the inquiry report, etc. Your worship, last order was 17/6/26. Your worship order, my. Your worship wanted to know whether charge sheet filed or not. That not get proper information, not get.
Not filed. If it is not filed, then you are not prejudiced by continuation of the
So, my
department
suppose
proceeding.
in that case, suppose I get acquittal, suppose FR is given, in that case, what will happen?
Then what will happen as per the dictum of law.
So, my, that,
So
that,
therefore, the can't be that the trial will continue for 10 years and departmental proceeding stayed for 10 years. Can't be there.
that I can't say,
So
my, then I
you
also,
you are not remediless. That in the event any adverse order is passed in the departmental proceeding, you have an appellate forum.
that is the,
Then you also have this forum to come and challenge in case you still agree.
in a case, madam, if I only junior assistant, madam, and if for the junior assistant, my lord, education is giving your worship. That is what I think we expect.
This kind of objection, another person in our court is always making. I am entrusted by the state
No, no, I am
government.
not-
Whichever
I'm not
case I want to
blaming him,
appear, I have to appear.
I'm not
If
blaming
this
him,
kind of
madam.
appear, then I can contra.
So what junior assistant?
application.
Assam government wants to rule out all corruption in the offices.
That's
He is
true, my
caught red-handed
No, no,
taking bribe in the office.
He should not take
And
otherwise, my lord.
And we
What
should
I am
have
on,
a,
my-
we should have a exemplary
Uh,
punishment
uh,
in this type of cases.
I am not against that, my lord. If ADC has
If this
committed,
kind
my
of
lord,
objections
this-
are made that my appearing in this case,
my lord,
because the
certainly, my-
officers came to me about half an hour back. About all the officers came to my chamber. I haven't,
So you was kind of
till
see-
now I have not read the brief also.
No, no,
There cannot be any objection of my appearing.
All right, my lord, I'm not, actually, I'm not saying the sense my lord has friend has taken. There is, I'm not in that sense, but I'm on my lord, because he is junior assistant, first junior assistant, initial order was not complied, second order not complied. That's why I'm saying, man. I'm not saying anything.
How
personally
these,
against
how
him.
these
No, no.
things are. how
I'm
these
just
things
saying.
The bar president also makes this kind of submissions
No, no.
every day.
No, no, then I withdraw my, I am not that type
So
of.
you are just propagating the bar's agenda.
No,
I do not allow that.
no, no, my lord.
I am paid by the state government. I am free to
I also
appear in
don't allow
any
it.
case.
I also don't allow my.
Your
this type of-
president makes this kind of
No, no,
submission in
not
all
my
cases.
president. He's not my president. He is president of all the bar, man.
Not my president.
Yeah.
chief legal advisor of the state. Here it doesn't matter.
Again, man, I'm just saying, man, just he otherwise, man. He should not otherwise, man. And I'm not saying that line, man. What I'm on, man, is small fry, man. Officers are here.
Small fry, big fry. no
Even
issue.
my-
The question is, we are not here. We
No,
are
man,
not
I
the-
am just
we are not
by
the
man
appellate
from the
authority.
beginning, from the
We
day
are
one.
trying to understand what benefit we get by extension of interim order or by this writ petition. Otherwise, writ petition was filed on the apprehension that departmental proceedings and criminal proceedings will be side by side and you are bound to be prejudiced if the defense is disclosed.
I'm
Right.
saying, man. Suppose that if it's suppose I'm not saying, man. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, anything else.
But
Then
then also-
ultimately I will prejudice.
Then also you don't face prejudice because the inquiry is already over.
Inquiry is over.
Whatever defense is required to
But
disclose, they
it's the
disclose.
same list of witnesses, same witnesses. In both the,
That is already over in the inquiry proceeding.
that's, this, they have already decided to, my lord. I'm only one, my lord.
You have a right of remedy under the statute.
Once I am out of service by remedies, there your lordship will not pass any stay order, anything, my lord. I'll remain with that way. That remedy I have, my lord. My only question, my lord, I am not saying on that, my lord. I'm just saying, my lord, from the day one, the department is not reviewing the your lordship's order, my lord. They are coming again and again. When we file the contempt petition, my lord, then they file the heat up in. I'm not saying, my lord, I'm not saying anything against anybody. Conduct of the officer, you're not saying. And I think, my lord, AG is very fair, man, my lord.
So, see,
And
your
he should
depart-
also understand, and he will understand, my lord.
Mr. Counsel,
What is
the
going on in the
departmental
office.
proceeding initiated judgment. It concludes upon the notice passing the judgment. That stage has not come. Departmental proceeding has not come to an end.
It's a signal to pass in this order, my lord. This notice was issued, it is a
You
signal
have, you
to,
have submitted your reply also.
yes, as per your lordship, we have also. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, we filed that.
We can defer the matter, but like, serve no purpose other than deferring the order passed by
It's my own. It's my own. In the meantime, let us see, but maybe about the criminal part also may come.
when the charge sheet is filed today, and the inquiry or
That-
report
that- I'm not saying whether charge sheet may be given, not given. So that it all depends on the side of that distribution of thing. I'm all in that part. Only 2 weeks side of the starting the worship.
see all like that. How? Because extension, prejudice.
In case FR is given, in case FR is given. To them some bearing on this. Some bearing. That's what my lord can say, my.
Lordship, the order dated 17/6/2026. This is an interim order. They have accepted this order. They have not challenged it. There is no such procedure that every day Lordship will pass continuous interim orders. Without there is a prayer also for. Where is the prayer for modification of this order? That is number one. This order they have accepted and complied also. So every day in a writ proceedings, this honorable court will not take the issue of interim. My humble submission is that all the evidences, all the charges, everything in the department, they have disclosed whatever defense they had. Now nothing new has to come in the departmental proceeding. So at the end of the enquiry, Lordship, the enquiry officer submitted the report to the authority and also to the other side. That means to the writ petition. And she has also responded, and Lordship granted time till 24 of the notice dated 3/6/2020, which she has complied. Now the ball is in the court of the disciplinary authority. What next course of action they will undertake? If it comes into their favor, that is the end of the chapter. It may go to the other side also. So 50-50, as Lordship has already said, it may be to their favor also.
It doesn't serve.
Absolutely. And if suppose, let us assume that an adverse order is passed, so they can immediately come and challenge it.
That I have done that.
Then?
I'm not saying on that. Once I'm out, I'm saying, my lord, the application will come. I am only on that point.
Once.
And if you
In that situation, Lordship may pass,
but
but
it is not that, my lord. We have not.
and if
we
you have
ordered
done
the-
anything wrong, Lordship can put the clock backwards. So
That your lordship can.
Many that doubt.
Because of the,
I hope they still have it.
because of conduct and because of the, my lord, of the officer, all the officers are here, my lord. I'm only on that, my lord. The rest part is, my lord, we have challenged the inquiry, but
See, we can't pass
not
it.
that.
We can't pass it. Yes, right.
that will be prejudicial
Either-
to our.
either I don't see something.
I understand, my lord, but the lordship, can we see the whole? That I'm only on that, my lord.
Sorry,
And we have challenged the inquiry report, my lord.
We can.
We have challenged the inquiry report.
The prima facie, we can satisfy that this petition perhaps is the- one. Doesn't serve any purpose.
Come, my lord, after that, rest I leave your words. Rest I leave you.
What purpose?
Let us see, but if that, suppose, for example, if I is filed,
If
we have
FR
come
is,
with a-
if FR is filed.
Yeah. again, I will come again.
But
That's
that is how the process works. I think no, that's not.
appointment letter. Disregard. Appointment letter disregard.
You have,
I have not received.
See what happened, the CC has allotted SFU now. Entire procedure is completed. Now we did in CRPS. We have received a communication from CRPS. They said that they have sent here to the state government for verification. Sir, verification from the state government.
verification of state.
4 and 5.
How long is it going to take? Timeline.
For the people to take up the state government.
Reference to the earlier order. That, as per the instructions received. Matter is present by the CRPF. For
On January, I was called for physical efficiency days by the DSA. Had passed the particular.
carried out after verification signed statement. Verification of have you sent it? Have you
Yes,
sent the requisition?
already sent, but yesterday, today morning I talked to the state that already documented.
Submitted or instructions that it's for domicile verification has already been sent. And therefore, because of verification.
But in item number 20, the order has been issued. And item number 19, so they are in the process of he retired. The petitioner in item number 19 is a retired person. And
for passing the order, they need another 4-5 days time.
No, in the IA, you seeking improvement.
Statement matter. But otherwise also, both are connected and similar in of item number 20. The item number 20 and 19, both, my lord, the erstwhile commissioner and secretary was needed as particular. Direction was there in the year 2023 to the commissioner and secretary. My lord. So in item number 19, subsequently, the incumbent has been but otherwise, my lord, if they are taking space, my lord, in 20, they are saying that it has been complied.
I have given an order copy to my learned friend also. The promotion order I have given. It was issued yesterday.
Similar.
19 similar order, but he retired in the meantime. So to give him benefits, some the opinion of the personnel department is required. That is awaited, and they need 4-5 days time. But logic may keep the better on every in the meantime they will pass it.
One thing we can do.
Yes, 20 it is come back. Item
number 9.
the final order for passing the final order. It is under process. They need to
The
just take
steps are being taken.
No.
and,
for passing the
within
final
4 weeks, final order.
order.
4-5 days.
That will be
Yes, my
stood
lord.
up for
After your
after-
opinion, my lord.
in next final order. Item number 9.
Obliged, my lord.
Hello.
At that point of time,
He came up. Will issue notice. status of the person.
I was selected.
There was some appeal file.
Yes, I think final.
What is the status?
Yesterday, it- now next date is of 21st of August or 28th. Well, 20. 20th of August.
That's in one.
Seven of 2020.
37 of 20. Yes. I for what? Any
Final.
what?
I have 189,
1894
item 20, 36.
26 in the book number
155.
155 of 22. Right? Let me see. Five days.
The appeal is listed on 18th of August.
Huh?
Appeal is listed on 18th of August. September.
Let the amendment be carried out first.
33. Regulated by the action on the part of the authority. But in fact, the petitioner is the mother of the deceased, Command number 7, and the respondent number, private respondent is the husband, respondent number 6. So, there is a criminal case going on against the respondent number 6, and as per the provisions of when he is involved, one of his the person died, he is of the respondent number 6 have taken steps to that is the result. The affidavit is filed. But I am praying for kindly come to page 15, Manoj. My prayer is that they have completed the communication on 18/1/2025. Despite ignoring my representations for repeatedly, and I'm not submitting representation that because of respondent number 6, he is guilty of for the killing my daughter. And he is not.
You were asking for what service benefit?
Yes, the entire service benefits of the deceased daughter.
All both the scenes. My friend is appearing for the parent. The husband has been named and the mother and the father.
Private
In fact, 70% has been mentioned in the name of mother and father. Only 30% in favor of the husband.
But as far as rule is not entitled when the die. Your fixed pension. Yes.
Five zero. 50.
Yes. Under chapter E, there is family pension. Kindly come to sub rule 14. 50. Yes.
50.
Rule 50 is under chapter 5, and it is family pension. Then kindly come to 15.
Diamond and death gratuity.
Yes.
Sub rule?
Sub rule 14.
1 4.
1. kindly come to copy. I'm referring to CDE, just pointing out here at the moment. But on the conclusion of citizen proceeding, referred to in clause C, the person concerned, that is number Roman 1, if convicted for the murder or abetting in the murder of the government servant, such a person shall be debarred from receiving any family pension which will be continued to be paid to other eligible members of the family, if any. And if acquitted, that will be different. But C and D also are important. C says, if a person who is in the event of death of a government servant while in service is eligible to receive family pension under this rule, he is charged with the offense of murdering the government servant or for abetting in the commission of such offense, the family pension shall not be paid to such person till the conclusion of the criminal proceeding against him. So, admittedly, the criminal proceeding is not in the incident. And therefore, my representations were before the authority that don't release any amount. And in fact, my information, they have substantial amount in favor of the authority. As I have mentioned in my here, that is the communication they have sought for documents to release the pensionary benefit from the response number 6. If Lordship kindly comes to the interview letter at page 636. On 18/1/2025, this is a letter regarding the issued by the authority regarding list of family pension addressed to the response number 6. So my representations are here. Detailed representations we have filed. After the Lordship.
Not similar.
But series of matters which are pending, I'll give you some. Now the different reasons for which I have challenged the SOCO's notice.
All right, we'll hear it then. Because it's a date.
What is my they're pointing at senior law? Can it be on either on 22, 23,
20. Happy to 20. 22. Submitted that the issues present with petition. Thank you. By time 25. What is the date of the order?
8/6/2026. 8/6.
8/6. 2nd of July. Now you are saying that there are several matters submitted that there are several matters the feelings and all are actually. Other matter.
I'm not aware with that. My madam
Some of,
talking about
in some of the cases. yeah.
but they have submitted only list of document list may be provided to me.
I will do the list. I will do the list.
Oh, along with this one. Stop with the second.